Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, June 8. Government is expecting the construction of a new concrete access road to the Riverton disposal site to expand commercial activities at the facility.
This is central to the NSWMA's strategic business plan and operational plan. We expect that this project will produce significant economic and social outcomes, which will include stimulation of employment for persons in the project period and beyond. I'd like to say also that this will facilitate the utilization of the landfill day and night. Currently no activity can take place there at nights because of the state of the road.
$1.8 million will be spent to repair approximately 2 kilometers of roadway. Funding is being provided by the Mexican government through the Infrastructure Fund for Mesa America and the Caribbean. The United Nations Office of Professional Services will provide project management supervision services. The project is expected to begin this month and last for 1 year. The Agriculture Ministry has partnered with a private export company to build an offsite fumigation facility in Manchester, which will serve to enhance our export capacity. Portfolio Minister Derek Kelly recently announced that the facility will be opened at the Jam Island Processing Company, a large exporter of yams, dasheen and pumpkins. The new fumigation facility is over 12,000 square feet and can accommodate up to 3 40-foot containers.
The construction of this offsite fumigation facility means that one, there will be less handling of the produce, as the produce will be processed, packed and fumigated at the same location, thus ensuring better quality of produce for shipping. This new facility also therefore means reduced costs for transportation and more production time for workers, as they will not be traveling to Kingston to offload and reload the containers.
Minister Kelly was speaking at last Thursday's launch of the 63rd staging of the Denby Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. It will be held from July 31 to August 2, under the theme, Grow What We Eat What We Grow, making agriculture sustainable. With the hope of more local companies expanding to international markets, the government recently conducted a franchising seminar. The seminar was hosted by Jamaica Promotions Corporations in collaboration with the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce and the United States Embassy. It was held under the theme, Promoting Opportunities in Franchising. JAMPRO's President Diane Edwards urged local entrepreneurs at the event to explore the approximately $350 billion franchising market.
How many of you really know how to go about acquiring such a franchise? And what do you really know about the business behind franchising? That's the reason why we're here today. How can we also help our own Jamaican companies to build their brands to a level where the brand and the concept are strong enough to be franchised globally?
The seminar targeted operators of small and medium enterprises spanning several areas of business, such as fast food services, education, and technology. 14 beaches across the island will be developed as part of a national beach development program. The $250 million program will be financed by the Tourism Enhancement Fund. It includes equipping public beaches with necessary amenities and recreational facilities for the enjoyment of locals and visitors to the island.
So we decided to do a beach in every parish, for starters, because we're going to do better than that.
Some of the beaches identified for development are Burwood in Trelawney, Montego Bay's Providence Park, and Norman Manley Beach Park in Negril. Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, Old Harbour Bay in St. Catherine, Salem in St. Anne, and Boston in Portland will also be improved. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller left the island Sunday to lead Jamaica's delegation to the Second European Union CELAC Summit in Brussels, Belgium. The discussions will be held on June 10 and 11, focusing on the future of cooperation between the EU and the countries of CELAC, the community of Latin American and Caribbean states. The theme is Shaping Our Common Future, Working for Prosperous, Cohesive and Sustainable Societies for Our Citizens. An estimated 61 heads of government will also discuss matters related to international security. The dialogue with representatives of the EU in Brussels is of particular importance to Jamaica, among other things, because the EU is the main source of grant funding to the island and the main provider of development aid worldwide. Jamaica's National Trade and Investment Agency, JAMPRO, will be represented at the Business Summit, and the University of the West Indies will participate in the Academic Summit. Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change Robert Pickersgill is in charge of the government until the Prime Minister's return on June 13. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.